My name is Tanya Shallenburger. I work for Paula Marshall. I'm her personal assistant and house manager here. She bought this house, I want to say it was built in the 70s, around 76, and she wanted to have a backyard where friends, family could get together. She's a very outdoors person, and so it started out small, and it's just patios and pools have grown and grown throughout the years. We have an area that's right off of the kitchen that she loves. It has a TV and a solo stove, and that's where she loves to do her cooking and grilling. We also have a pergola out back that she has, we utilize as a dining area. There's just lots of spaces you'll see throughout the whole yard that has chairs and ready for people to come sit and gather and have fun. She loves anything outdoors, anything from fishing to tennis. She plays tennis weekly. She's not here when she's home. She's at the tennis court or at the country club golfing. There are some things in the pool house that like a swordfish that her son and her caught in Marathon, Florida. And it's kind of grown over the years. Some she buys at fundraisers, some she gets given to her. And anything that deals with tennis or golf, you'll see probably out in the pool house. When you step off the deck or the kitchen and you walk out, you wouldn't realize that you're in Midtown Tulsa. It's very quiet. We've got a lot of yard here. Around, and the outdoor space is just part of the house. She kind of wanted it that way. She wanted it to be a retreat for her family to have fun and come over and play and not worry about neighbors. She has some peonies and she has some roses. She loves them, and we have one area where the kids will hide Easter eggs on Sunday and they'll do their Easter egg hunt, and it's just an area that she wants pretty for the kids and to walk through and to find eggs. So that's why we have the rose garden up on top. We just kind of gathered a lot of plants that we like and planted them. It's not, there wasn't a rhyme or reason behind any of it really, just if she liked it, I tried to put it out there for her. So this area right here is the rose garden. Paula loves roses and peonies, so we've tried to put a lot of those in for her around here.
Well, Sunday, they're just about to pop, aren't they?
We had some bloom
okay.
already, but it's really pretty when they're all bloomed.
And we missed the daffodils, but
yes,
I bet they were beautiful here.
They were pretty.
Kind of lighten up this shady area a little bit.
And we have some hydrangeas. We have more hydrangeas on the other side, but this area right through here we use for Sunday's Easter, so the Easter bunny normally hides his eggs throughout here.
Okay.
And she's got several grandkids that will be here, and it's just a fun spot for them to walk through and do their Easter egg hunt.
Well, I wasn't expecting this topography back here, and it's a good vantage point to kind of see over everything there.
Well, the construction we just did, it kind of opens it all up, so you see the pool and the pergola area, and we've got a new slide, we've got a new spa area, we've got all new pool equipment, we changed the fountain into a grotto, so the kids will love it, and yeah, it's had a lot of renovations throughout the years.
Well, the place has beautiful curb appeal here. We've got a lot of different foundation plants and a few pansies still lingering.
I know. They'll be coming out really soon, and we'll fill them, this whole area with sun patients.
Okay.
It gets really pretty.
Do you do any particular color? Or?
Red was last year, I believe.
Okay. All right. Well, it's hard to compete with this azalea color right now.
Aren't they pretty? I kind of like the purples. I think they're my favorite color.
It's a good combination. They're just such a pop of color. But, I mean, these dogwoods are giving us quite a show, too.
They really stand out among the pink and the purple, I think. We tried to make it, the plants that we put in, try to make it homey and feel like they've always been here. We didn't want it to be like landscaped in a way that it was so precise that you knew someone else came in to do everything, because we've basically done it ourselves here. So she just wanted it to be representative of the home.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.